stars, whispering secrets from afar. I'd climb the mountains high and steep for just one